Okay, trade preparation for the week of 20th July to 24th July. For Forest Factory, Monday, no activity, no news. Only is Wednesday. Wednesday is CPI for UK 100. Thursday is for Aussie 200 employment. So the whole week only for UK and Aussie news, no US news. But US news is for S&P and Nasdaq is now mainly volatile according to the AI news and the Middle East news. So even though not on the forest factory, no US news, but on the other news, AI related and Middle East related news come out, the market will be moved. Okay, let's dive into the chart. Okay, start with S&P 500. Currently market is a few like intent of long term is quite ranging. Okay, I will start with about daily chart. So this is a daily chart. So its market is ranging from here. This from the top all-time high to here is a daily swing level. So in now recent day, the whole month of like about June, now already mid of July. So in daily chart, market is ranging in between these two levels. Okay, so is for daily level. This is the one daily rejection low. From this is daily gap, daily rejection low. So this is this daily gap then come with the daily rejection low. So this daily rejection low to next daily swing is the one sell zone. In daily chart only this is the zone. Then go to 4 hour. 4 hour quite a lot of zone, but it's really in terms of probability is not high. For example, like here, because here got 4 hour gap. So recent the Friday, this second last 4 hour candle is reject from 4 hour gap. So if in theory, this is a 4 hour rejection high. So this 4 hour rejection high to the next level. Next level is actually here got a few small gap, 4 hour gap, 4 hour gap. Actually, if the next zone to up to here, this is another 4 hour gap from 4 hour rejection high. So in theory, is the buy zone is from this green one, from here 4 hour rejection high to next 4 hour rejection high. But in between got some the roadblock 4 hour gap. So market can become some kind of resistance or rejection from these two. So that's why this is the zone that buy zone, but in terms of probability is quite low. Market very hardly reach to this. So after breakthrough this zone, on top another two buy zone is the one that from this 4 rejection high to this rejection high, and next level is from weekly rejection high to autumn high. So in terms of probability, this two is really high probability, but this one is a bit lower. Okay, so this is for S&P 500. Go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq also similar to S&P 500. This is daily chart. So market is ranging from this to autumn high to this level, weekly rejection low. So market really is ranging for almost 1 month plus, never not moving at all, not go up from no, not going autumn high and not going down. So really is market is ranging. For daily level, no zone. Go to 4 hour. So 4 hour is okay, same thing. It's similar to S&P 500. This is 4 hour gap, 4 hour rejection. So in terms of zone is from basically here, the smaller, because the difference from S&P is S&P 500 here is 4-hour gap, but Nasdaq is daily gap. Okay, go to daily. So this is a daily gap. So can be break into the two zone instead of one in the S&P 500. So this is very small buy zone. Then come to the daily gap. Okay, then this is another one. This is the actually can be move fast because need to wait for any reaction from here. Rejection after daily reject, maybe a few days come in then reject. So maybe it's only Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe it's for next week. Is there got any daily rejection high? Then can be another zone. Otherwise, in 4-hour, okay, this is another high probability zone. Is it from here 4-hour rejection high to all the way to the next? So in between is this zone, in between some kind of the small target. So this is the 4-hour swim. Here also the 4-hour swim. So it can be some reaction, but really market can become into this zone is higher chance this going to be making an all-time high. So this is the only high probability buy zone, but this is not high, can be tradable, but only for the short-term trader. For the swing trader, we'll skip this though. Don't trade. Okay, let's go to Aussie. Okay, start with the daily chart. Okay, in terms of daily chart, okay, slightly I will go to weekly because I want to show this weekly chart. Okay, in weekly chart, this is the originally weekly gap, weekly rejection high. So this is a weekly rejection high original level. Then this is the week that mid of June they already tried to break and fail to close inside the zone. So initially is original buy zone is something like this. This is original buy zone because market go in and not closing inside, so it's not be tradable. So but that's why it's a new zone is try to be above this previous high. So this is the weekly rejection high to all-time high. Okay, so this zone is still valid, but need to be careful and trade if really market come back, because this is a few time rejected. So this around this area is quite strong resistance, but it's really market this time around try to come in this zone. Is the magnet is here, is easily go to all-time high. So this is I will be looking at this zone for this week to buy. On the sell side is here only for this is the daily swing. This is a daily swing, this is a weekly swing. So it's go to 4-hour. So 4-hour is kind of for rejection low. This rejection is coming from original is here. This is originally 4-hour swing. So 4-hour swing is here. So this week is come and dash then reject. So this is the one that 4-hour rejection can be defined 4-hour swing, but I take it as this one is a rejection of this swing. So it's trade for the sell zone is here, 4-hour rejection low to the next daily swing. But compared to this zone and this zone, which one is high probability is confirmed. This is a high, this is a low probability. So for the sell side have high probability will be happen after takeover, break through this zone and close inside this, then become creating the daily rejection low. So that one may be more interesting. Market really showing sign that downward position. So as of now, market really no direction. Is it ranging for almost 1 month, not going anywhere? So it's that's why this few week and the last month is really not the good trading opportunity is here. Okay, last one go to UK 100. Okay, UK 100, I start with daily. Okay, from daily, here is about daily swing, the recent one. This one is daily rejection low, so it can be tradable below. This is a daily gap and daily rejection. Actually, this is the one can be draw as sell zone, but I don't draw fast. I want to see this two zone. So go into the 4 hour. Okay, from 4 hour is recently, here is the last week 4 hour gap, then reject from here. So this 4 hour gap rejection is here. So this is for rejection low. So this is a sell zone is for rejection low to the daily rejection low level. This is the one sell zone. This can be tradable. Then next one, the buy side is on top. This is the original. This is the originally the 4 hour gap. So this is 4 hour gap. So this is for rejection high. Okay, so this gap is the lead. This is for rejection high. So this rejection high to next level is daily swing. So in UK is UK 100. This two zone is quite close. Is it coming on maybe Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday will be trigger this two zone. So only thing is the next potential maybe here after coming to this daily swing reject and then daily rejection to this here is for the autumn high. So this is not developing yet. Current one is only this two zone. But as of market is same thing. That really, in terms of long-term point of view, market is still ranging from here, from this all-time high, from the February high to the low is to the March. So now it's from here, this high level and this low level. The market is ranging here. Quite a long time to ranging. Okay, so it's the only thing to be tradable. UK 100 got two zone. C can be this buy zone, maybe high probability. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is only I'm interested is this zone. Market really come to this. It's quite interesting to trade to this autumn high. So this is a Nasdaq. Below, no sell zone yet. No sell zone. Okay, S&P 500 is also, if really sell zone is this one is interesting. Buy can be trade inside this zone but low probability. This two is a high probability. Okay,